What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Keith back with another reaction video. Today we gonna do something a little bit different. We usually react to some YouTube videos and stuff, but I'm not gonna lie. This dude, I've been seeing him before on TikTok. That's why I first ever seen him was TikTok. Then I sometimes get on Instagram. I don't really get on for real, but I seen him on Instagram and I followed him. Um, it probably been about 2 months, probably longer than that, probably about 4 months since the last time I really watched one of his videos, because I don't really see him on TikTok as much. Maybe it's just like my algorithm or something not showing him. I don't know. But and like I said, I don't really get on Instagram as much. But we're going to check out his videos on Instagram because I clearly see that's where he posting it. Um, and yeah, cause I kind of got to catch up to his videos and stuff, cause he was hilarious, man. I like watching his reactions. So, like I said, this is a little bit different. We usually do it on uh reacting to YouTube videos, and then two, I'm finna be reacting to a reaction. So that's what's kind of a little bit different than normal, but it's okay, man. It's okay. Regardless of the fact y'all watching it, it's something that I want to watch, and I'm like, might as well press the record and let them see it too. But the guy name or his page that he go by is Thebigdaddymax. I'm not sure if y'all heard of him. I think y'all probably heard of him because he kind of, especially on TikTok, he was kind of known. Especially if you follow trading videos and stuff like that. But if y'all do know of them, comment down below. Let me know like how y'all found out about him. Was it TikTok, YouTube, Instagram? What was it? Like I said, my first experience was TikTok with him. So, but yeah, we finna go on and get into it. I ain't finna do no more talking, man, because you know my intros can go long, bro. My intros can go long. So we finna go and get into it. We finna react to a couple of these videos he got. All right. Well, we gonna click the first one. Then we just gonna go through into maybe I see some that I seen before, and then I'm like, okay, that's it. Let's go to here. Hold up. Gotta turn the audio on.
There's just a little divergence on the chart right now. Looking for
Hopefully we don't get no lag. We did change the settings on OBS. We did change the setting on OBS. So hopefully we don't get no dang lag. And we know how to play background music now. But hopefully we don't get no lag on this stuff. So let's go ahead. I don't know. I don't really use Instagram on the computer, so I don't know how we control like going back on the video. So I'm gonna try to be quiet while the videos play. I'm gonna try my best to be quiet while the videos play. And so I'm gonna have to try to go back. Alright, so let's go.
a reversal, also known as a turtle soup. There's actually 9 fair value gaps up above. We're going to look to
Let me make sure
try
audio
and
sound good on
close.
the
I got
stream though.
6 EMAs on
I
my
got my
chart right
phone right
now.
here with the
So
stream open.
as long as the EMAs all cross to the upside, I'm going to aim for 9 fair value gaps with the turtle soup.
Oh, y'all
Are you
can't even
tired of
hear him?
that? Well, here's a different idea. Look what we're
Quit.
doing every single day. Here we go. Push it, motherfucker. Look at this fucking long. Oh, they're both coming in. Oh,
Oh yeah, y'all can't even hear it. Hold up.
boom. I'm up 4,500. I'm trimming
Oh,
one
y'all
more
can hear it. It's just real
contract.
low.
Llama hit final
Give me
price
one
target.
second.
Llama, show him the booty shorts. Show him the llama.
Turn it
Oh,
up a little bit.
absolutely fucking ripping.
It's still going, dude. It's still going. I'm up a Canadian. 150K account right now if you stand on the chair and spin in the circle.
150K count right now. You can stand on your chair and
Testing,
spin.
testing,
Daddy
testing.
Q Banks in the motherfucking building. What's going on?
Max, I heard about your trades, bro.
Look, you got to do this right here. Look.
Llama. I just made 5,000.
Alright, I think y'all got it. I think y'all good now. Now I don't know if y'all can hear me. But I know y'all can hear the video.
150, yo, I got him. He's
Alright.
logged in. 150K account.
So now let's go
Sorry,
back
you've
and
been
listen.
in the space
Let's
10
listen.
years.
Right.
How many traders do you see can do some shit like this? We're hitting TPs. We're obnoxiously
Now,
attractive.
how the heck
Come on, guys.
on TikTok? I mean on Instagram, how I go back to the beginning of a video? Do I just gotta exit and reopen it? Let's see if that works. Okay,
Are
here we
you
go.
still paying for a Discord just to watch this crap all day long? Yeah, there's just a little divergence on the chart right now. I'm looking for a reversal, also known as a turtle soup. There's actually 9 fair value gaps up above.
He
We're
be
gonna look
where
to
he be
fill
telling
in
shots
9
at
of those.
ICT
I got
traders,
6
boy.
EMAs on my chart right now. So as long as the EMAs all cross to the upside, I'm gonna aim for 9 fair value gaps with the turtle soup. Are you tired of that? Well, here's a different idea. Look what we're doing every single day. Here we go. Push it, motherfucker. Look at this fucking long.
Dang, they loud.
Oh,
Oh, hold up. Let me pause. I know him. I see him on TikTok, bro. I see him on TikTok right here. I ain't know him and Max was in the same, what you call him? I ain't know him and Max was in the same Discord or whatever they in. I I ain't gonna lie, he be making TikTok videos like saying he gambling. But I finally, if y'all was in the stream from yesterday when we was doing back testing, I finally know what he be doing. It ain't gambling. He doing this. It's like a strategy behind it. It's not because when I was doing back testing yesterday, I kind of was doing that, and I did it pretty much. If y'all watch the streams we did last week, live trading, I kind of was doing that too, setting the buy and the sell limit at the same time. And say if I was looking for shorts when they make a lower low, of course I'd be triggered and my stop loss already be set because it's a buy stop up there. But say if in the event that it go make a higher high, it'll flip to longs and then my stop will be at the bottom. So that's all he do. But if you're new to trading or on TikTok, it seemed like he gambling because he got buy and sell on opposite side, and he literally just going whichever side it go. It look like it's gambling, but it ain't gambling. I like him though. I like him. I'm gonna have to start looking at his videos again too, cause I ain't been seeing. Like I said, I ain't been seeing Max lately or him. So I don't know what's going on with my TikTok, bro. They messed up the TikTok, cause I'm supposed to see both of them, but it's alright. I don't know what them two at the bottom is. Who they are?
boom. I'm up 4,500. I'm trimming one more con. Llama hit final price target. Llama, show him the booty
Oh, his
shorts.
name
Show him.
Llama.
Boom.
Oh, okay.
Valid.
Oh, he trade with Tory Trades too. Dang, they community deep.
Fucking ripping.
It's still going, dude. It's still going. Come on for Canyon. 150K account right now. If you
My
stand on
boy
the chair and spin
Llama.
150K
I know
right
his
now, you
name
can stand
now.
on your chair and spin. Daddy Q Banks in the mother.
Dang, they got Q Banks in here too. Bro, they got all the dang names that they Discord. What the world? Hold
Max,
up.
I heard about your trades, bro.
Look, you got to do this right here. Look.
Llama. I just made 5,000.
Dang, that mother turned up.
150, yo, I got him. He's logged in. 150K account. Tori, you've been in the space 10 years. Right. How many traders do you see can do some shit like this?
Wow.
We're hitting TPs. We're obnoxiously attractive. Come on, guys.
Best in the game.
Does it get more?
I ain't gonna lie, Llama. I like his
100% free. Our bangers
charisma.
are posted every day live, and we give away more than
I might have to see he
anyone
got a
in the
YouTube
game.
page.
Come win free prizes, have fun, get bangers, and do so much more with us at Max Options Trading. Are you still paying for a
Now is the
Discord just to
Discord
watch
free? Or
this
is the
crap
Discord you
all
gotta
day
pay
long?
for it? That's what I
Yeah.
wanna know.
I literally get dozens of texts and messages and comments like
Traders
this
make
every
a
single week.
huge.
I won't lie, I
Well, I
watched
couldn't
one
even see
single
it.
video from your channel where you made a free explanation video on Orb and how it works. Dude, I bagged 400 in just like 2 minutes. I love this strategy. Been green the whole week playing the Orb. It's freaking awesome. Thank you.
And the orb, that's it. That's what Max known for. He known for trading the orb strategy. It worked. I never got super deep into it, but I be seeing it every morning. I be seeing it. Play out here and there. Me personally, I don't use that strategy, but I can see where it can work.
Trading Forex in this strategy has greatly improved my trades from one dad to another. Cheers, boys. I absolutely love it. I see DMs like this every single
Maybe we
day.
need to
And
learn
I get
his
them from
orb
Forex
strategy.
traders. I get it from futures traders. I get them from options traders. I get them from all kinds of people. And all of a sudden, next thing I know, they're in the Discord and they're like, oh my God, Orb is fucking great. Why did I waste my time overcomplicating trading every single day for the last year when all I needed on my chart was 2 lines, candlestick confirmation, small little confluences that fit your strategy, and now you have a strategy that works on London, Asia, New York. It's all simple. Simplicity is key. Stop overcomplicating shit.
I agree with
Orb is king, the simplest strategy for sure. I literally get dozens of texts and
Let's
I
see.
literally get to watch every trading strategy in the world because so many people send them in to me for me to react, and nothing is as simple as Orb. Orb truly is the simplest strategy in the
We ain't
game
trying to
that
watch
can
all the
change your.
orb now. We trying to watch him react to other videos. I said day of a trader.
I'm so sick of most of these traders on the internet. Like, oh, okay, Max is fat. No shit, Sherlock. I'm glad your fucking eyes work. But, like, no traders are really working out. You know what I'm saying? You guys can have money
Ain't
just
gonna
because you're
lie.
skinny
Ain't
or
gonna
you
lie.
have, like, your little skinny fat bodies. But not a lot of traders are actually
I done
working out.
gained a
I
little
mean,
weight
there's, like,
trading, bro.
3 that I know of. Out of everyone, there's, like, 3 traders that work out. You're all getting fat. It's coming, baby.
I ain't
Thick is
gonna lie.
in. Ladies love dad
I done
bod
gained a little
season.
weight, but
It's coming
I'm
in.
be working out, bro.
No
We
traders
getting
working
back
out,
right. We
especially when
getting
they're
back right,
profitable.
bro. We
You're
getting
not
back right.
profitable and going to the gym. No, you're cranking the fucking monkey instead several times, and you're going on the internet starting to look at things that you cannot afford to purchase. That's how it works. That's the real.
Let's see. Forex traders when they arrive at a hotel.
Nah, we'll check in later.
Where you running to?
Financial freedom doesn't come overnight. Just last year, I was living in a sewer
Oh.
under the bridge, had no money to my name.
He making one of the
saved
videos.
to buy my first $100 million mansion. It's not about
The
how hard
week.
you work. It's about how
When they
hard
be
you
capping,
work
boy,
and
they be
working hard. They're
capping.
gonna call you stupid. They're gonna say that forex trading
They be
is a
having whole
scam.
Airbnb.
Let them, because whilst they're struggling to pay off their Ford, you're going to be rocking up in an 80k BMW because that's how you roll. A loser is a loser, but you don't have to be. And if you want to learn more and stop being a brokey, join my Telegram and copy my exact trade so you can live like this too. Comment, I'm a schmuck, and we'll get started.
That's really funny. That's genius. Wildly
That's
accurate.
funny right there.
Wildly accurate. Besides
know they
the,
be
of course,
capping.
exaggerated numbers and everything like that. That's a super funny bit.
There goes the next one. Said life after you become the trader friend who always on a random weekend.
That's a pretty sick shot and view. I wonder if they like timed that with the plane. Of course they did. It's great content. It's so true. I used to call people back when I first started day trading all the time. Oh, fucking 11 a.m. What are you doing, bro? You want to go to the gym? Nah, I'm at work. What are you doing? It's 3 p.m. You want to go out and do something? I was like, nah, bro, I got an appointment. I'm busy. Fuck. I mean, I finish work really, like, I'm done trading at 10:30, 11 every morning. And then
Same.
if I didn't have, like, a job, I'm sure I would have nothing to do. And I would just be out eating burgers and shit. Well, I mean, I do that anyway.
Oh, so he do like
so,
a real
yeah,
job,
I guess
too.
I could go on a diet.
I ain't saying trader a fake job, but I'm just saying he got like a regular job, 9 to 5. I told him partially on 500 million bonds. Some trip 500 multi-million
I'm a
dollar
partial
companies.
equity owner and investor, entrepreneur of 500 Forbes level multi-millionaire dollar companies run by billionaires. I guess I've been invited to several quarterly meetings.
Yo, let's go. This trade's
You meant to call the ambulance,
Yo, shit, you're right. Yo, my bad, bro. Yo, please do not die on me. The ambulance is on the way.
That is something I would do
Hey,
just
I ain't
because I
gonna
have
lie.
severe ADHD. You'd be like, bro, call an ambulance. And I'd be like, right. Who's playing tonight? I'm sure a lot of you do the same thing I do.
I ain't gonna
where,
lie,
like,
I ain't
you're
do
on your
that
phone just
sometimes.
doom scrolling, and then all of a sudden you open trading view and you're like, oh, wait,
Out of
market's
nowhere.
closed. Swipe up and then open up your fucking broker. Like, what am I doing? It's closed. Swipe.
On everything out of nowhere, charge closed. You done trading for the day. You done. It's just a habit, bro. Once you start trading, it be a habit. You just open trading, you like it ain't Facebook. I swear. They said at least he's putting in effort. Chill out now. Chill out, bro. Chill out. Go to the next.
I literally put one of my boys on with trading, and this is what he sent me for his Monday's
Boy,
payment.
what?
Like,
how the heck he almost got
what's that
3,000
sound
trades?
how does that sound go?
Boy, everybody got 3,000 trades for $23,
Like, bro,
bro.
just
That boy really got 2,800 trades for $23.
There's a lot to unpack here. 2,861 trades is
That's
fucking
funny.
crazy work. And then to come out on top, $23. You know how many fees and commissions there is on that? And then
Oh,
secondly,
man. But
what
you
does
gotta
that
think,
sound?
this Top Step though. This Top Step, y'all. Top Step count
Bro, that
you
was
opening it and
awful.
closing it.
It's
Like that count is 2 trades. That
with
would
like a little echo at the end. Everyone
Oh
knows that.
man.
I
That
literally
joke
put
funny
one
though.
of my boys on with
That boy going crazy. He profitable though.
30 minutes ago.
He profitable.
Got I full forwarded. I locked my accounts out so that I didn't trade.
It's risk management 101. I don't think I would ever like consider having surgery and then waking up from surgery and being like, did I fucking pop my account or 30 minutes to market open? That's a serious addiction problem. But I will say, really good on this fucking guy. Really good on this guy, because if I did have to have surgery like that, there's 0% chance I would lock my accounts out. Fucking none. So kudos to you. Kudos.
Trades one prop firm denies oh, everything, bro.
I saw that.
Be mad
That's
in the
all
mud
over
when they
news
deny
now.
it.
So apparently the guy in the suit is using the other dude's
Oh, you
name
don't see that.
to sell his shit or something like that. And then the video goes on to them fighting, and then homie in the suit absolutely fucking hocks a loogie in that guy's face. Like a nasty fucking loogie. I don't care who you are as a man.
That
To
disrespectful.
spit in another man's face, you're a
Disrespectful.
disgusting little bitch. He did get arrested though.
Oh, I ain't even. He ain't got cuss on our video now. Come on,
with
bro.
criminal connections.
They said, "Mom, I made 5K trading today."
And set up a covert meeting.
Mom, I made 5K trading today. What my mom hears that you're doing drugs or you're a drug dealer. I don't know. Maybe gambling. Maybe if it was like a.
Let's get that. First ever trade of 2026. Dang. 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 But he got it on replay though. Cause he got to stop it. Yeah, he got it on replay mode. It's on replay mode.
That was hilarious. I watched a ton.
Trading has ruined my concept of money, bro. Only $500 today, as if that's not a doctor's salary on everything. That's
so many people.
Bro, let me prep all. That's fat. I be having to tell folks like, bro, especially when they first start trading and everything. I be like, treat it like it was a real job. Real job, most times, most people getting paid what? About $15, $16, something like that. But even say you get $18, $20 an hour. Bro, on the average day, most people only making what, like $100 to $120 a day, regular with a regular 9 to 5 job. Bro, we be trading, and like he said, we're trading mess up our concept of money, cause especially if you doing it with a prop firm. When you do live, it don't mess your mind up as much when you got your own funded account and stuff. I mean, yeah, like you personally funded it yourself. You didn't go through prop firms and stuff. You actually look at the money a little bit more serious and stuff. But when you go through prop firm, bro, cause they be having $3,000 profit targets and all that, and you seeing people online making 14,000 in one day. You be looking at $200. You be like, boy, that ain't make nothing today. I need to keep trading. Like it ain't nothing, bro. In real life, bro, you make $200. That's a good day. You know what I'm saying? Do that 5 times out the week. You got made a band a week. You know what I'm saying? So I don't know. It do mess up your mind, especially going through them prop firms, bro. That's why I personally like trading my personal account too, cause with the personal account, it kind of keep me humble, keep me being appreciative of, oh dang, I just hit for 100 today, I just hit for 200 today, instead of with the prop account. And even when you gotta get your payouts, that's another thing. Even when you pass and then it is a real like a funded account, you still gotta make a certain amount of money for your payouts. Like you gotta get a buffer, or you might gotta do some amount of days of trading, and it make you like kind of treat it like it's a game almost, I guess you could say. But they're gonna play.
Bring up so many people in interviews.
I'm just saying he's speaking facts though. He's speaking facts.
You know, what do you do? Where you from? And they tell me, and I kind of gauges the idea of I know like what you make in like a sense, you know. And I hear all these people, it's like, oh, you know, I'm an assistant at a fucking medical facility. So you're making like 20, 25 an hour, but you're here popping your account with a $4,500 drawdown daily. Like that's what you make
Crazy.
in fucking 1.5 months. And so that unrealistic expectation of market gains versus like a realistic doctor's salary is so gone and delusional in the trading world, and I don't get it. I don't get it.
Yeah,
I was showing
it's
today on
because of the prop
micros. I had
firms.
2 micros across my 5 accounts, and I was up $500. Up $500 today on 2 micros. Like that's not a doctor's salary when
And
the
he
year
just,
is over.
yeah, that's
People are
crazy.
bugging.
It's because them prop firms, bro. It make us look at it like it ain't nothing. They say you trade, your trade is in drawdown. Everything put it on his
I wonder
stop
what
loss.
like is the weirdest thing people have done while their trade is in drawdown and like they're losing, and like what is the craziest shit you've done? I'm not gonna lie, I was
What the
down
craziest thing
100
I
bands
did?
one time, and I was walking up and down my neighborhood for like 3 hours, just staring at my Robinhood account. And
Yeah, I about to say I
was
just paced.
literally saying to myself, just please let this one.
Yeah,
come
and
back,
just saying please,
and I
talking to
promise
it.
you,
That's all. That's
I'll
crazy.
never,
I did with
ever
pace and talk
trade
to it.
again.
All I
It
did
didn't
was
come back,
pace.
and here I am. Thank God. I ain't never gonna.
Yes. Start the year unprofitable, ending the year unprofitable. Consistency is key. Hey, all week. They said consistency is key. All week. Okay, skip. What's this? How I feel opening trading view for the first time. Yeah, it was confusing at the start.
Saying that the first time he opened TradingView, he felt like a pit full of cock. That video wasn't funny. Hold on. Why is it called a cockpit? It's called a cockpit for historical, not sexual. Cock means a male rooster. Pit means an enclosed area. In the 16th to 17th centuries, a cockpit was literally a sunken.
I ain't got time to listen to all that. They said keep grinding, bro. The world needs more successful. Chill out.
I fuck with this video heavy.
Let's get that. Let's get that. Scalper, day trader, enters the trade, swing trader. On everything, that's how it is. Swing trade. I be telling folks, bro. At the end of the day, what we trying to get to, or at least what I'm trying to get to, is to become a swing trader. At the end of the day, swing trading so much easier, bro. So much. When I tell people this all the time, y'all can ask anybody who ever interact with me. I tell them, the more money you got, the easier trading get. Reason for me saying that is because when it comes to swing trading versus a scalper or day trade, scalper, you dang near gotta be right within a minute, maybe 5 minutes at the most. Day trader, you trying to be right within that day. A swing trader, you just trying to be right. Say if you holding it for 2 months, 3 months, it just gotta go your direction within the month. Like you got way more time for the market to go your way, you know. So you go. It's a lot easier to to be right for within the next 3 months. Like okay, it's gonna at least come up to this area within 3 months versus it's gonna come up to this area in one day. You know, it's just a lot more capital needed for swing trading. Like if you're doing options, if you buying leaps, or you know what I'm saying, leaps is when you're doing it with years, but you just swinging for like say Apple for 4 months, and you know how to do technical analysis, and you see charts look pretty good to go up $10 more or something. You gonna make your money when you swinging. But if you day trading and you like it look like it can go up $5, but I don't know if it's gonna do it today or this week since my contract in this week. So that would kind of mess you up, like make it a lot harder because you got you got a smaller time frame to be correct. So play. I know I'm down here teaching. We supposed to be reacting.
It's an interesting video. Like, you know, for all intents and purposes, I think a scalper is anyone who's in a trade for less than 5 minutes.
Yeah, less than 5 minutes. That's what I
from
said.
5 minutes to an entire intraday, which, you know, from 9:30 to 4 could be a while. So I feel like the day trader is over trading like a motherfucker. And the swing trader, you know, I get it. The swing trader chilling, taking his time. But like swing trading also holds the most risk out of all of it because of overnight holds that are required. To be a swing trader means you are opening a trade on the previous day and holding it at least until 9:30 open on the following day. Right.
So well, that's what futures. I was talking about with options also.
You're holding overnight, unforeseen events, news,
it's risk
because you more. So like you're making it look.
That's the risky thing about swing trading. Like future swing traders is way more riskier than option swing traders. Unless they doing 0 DTE trades, but future swing trader, it's like you said, it's unseen events. Unless you got a lot of capital, it's almost the same. As long as you got a whole bunch of capital to cover, if we get crazy drops or something, and you can hold it through it, you good. But when it comes to options, like I said, a lot of times when they swinging, contracts at least out for a week, possibly taken out for a month, possibly taken out for 3 months, stuff like that. The only capital they risking is the money that they pay for the contract. Where futures, you dang risking your whole account. I'm gonna tell you now, you're risking your whole account on that trade. If you swinging with futures, so I get what he's saying. He's speaking more terms of futures though, because options, yeah, the news events you is risking it, but if you got it 3 months out, a lot of times you kind of can figure which direction it's going. Unless we got crazy
easy,
events.
but I was a swing trader when I first started, and yeah, when you wake up to 89% L, which happens all the fucking time, then it's not that simple, is it? So,
I go to next.
Bro, they made a fucking trading ring, dude. I shit you not.
Trading ring.
You heard me right. There's a ring that's going to alert you when the market's green or if it's red. And by doing it, it heats up. Dog, the last month, my finger's gonna fucking fall off. But hey, honestly,
I ain't heard about that.
Cool. You know, if you like want to have
that did kind of cool.
By 25, get yourself a trading ring. Want to be stressed the fuck out every single time you go out? Buy a trading ring. Want to be in a pissed off mood every single time you walk out the house? Buy a trading ring. It's a genius idea.
I fuck with this dude. I feel like we've definitely reacted to one of his videos, and his takes are dope. I like the.
Oh, the next one. No.
What's the name on the Amex? What's the pin code on the front? What's the info of the Amex?
I ain't gonna lie, that had beat though.
Steal his identity.
Especially starting off.
It back and forth.
You young, you trading, and you don't make no money.
Ooh, there's a little bounce there.
Better hope you got a partner that
little
can see
flash
through
of
it,
some numbers. We're gonna need some CSI level, like.
Get that mug. Trading 100K at 20 years old. First trade immediately lost 315. Dang, lost 1.2. Blew my account. Go for a walk. I'm not upset. More back testing blue. How many accounts recently?
Damn, I can't believe she's still making content, not quitting, being resilient. I love that shit. Keep grinding, keep doing your thing.
Yeah, she's
Don't
still
ever
going
quit.
at it.
You know, we have a lot of people who are in the same situation, and sometimes we give them a free account, give them some motivation, give them a little psych talk, and they wind up in turning their entire trading around. And we actually have a chick right now in Thailand who needed assistance, asked us for money to help with her childbirth. We gave her an opportunity with a $2,500 cash account to show off her skills, and she turned that into a prop for her money, and she wind up getting tens of thousands of dollars in payouts in just in the last like 60 days. And now she's a millionaire in fucking Thailand.
Nice.
What a privilege to be tired from the work you once begged the universe for. What a privilege to feel overwhelmed by growth you used to dream about. What a privilege to be challenged by a life you created on purpose. And what a privilege to outgrow things you used to settle for.
Golly. To be tired for having done the thing that you once dreamt of doing is a beautiful blessing.
I'm not gonna lie, that shit hits on another level.
Man, they trying to
found some success. You have no fucking idea how insane those words are, how humbling, how amazing it is. You have no idea. He said, what a privilege to be tired for the work you once begged the universe for. and I can't, that's crazy work. I'm sitting here, it's 9 o'clock at night. I've been in this chair for 14 and a half hours working today, doing interviews, doing so much for the MOT network. And it's just like, I don't want to sit here and do this, but what a privilege it is to sit here and do the work that I once begged the universe for.
What a privilege to be
That's crazy.
Pull back, wick green, and boom, boom, boom. And then I want to see NQ touch 50. Bang, right there. Ate the whole fucking candle. Ate the whole candle. Ate the fucking candle.
Man, what he be going live on, y'all?
I'm so hungry.
Is he just Discord?
Hungry. I'll eat the whole fucking candle.
I gotta go watch him, bro.
Oh, I'm thirsty. I've been eating so much.
Bro, what the heck?
Get me more.
This boy here, tripping.
Bro, I get so hyped during the Big Daddy morning show when I hit a banger like that. Like, that was crazy. Like, 100 points in like 2 minutes is, come on, who's not gonna go crazy? I'm like, oh, wait,
that is crazy. 100 points.
Trader. Fuck you. It's for entertainment purposes, and I'm entertaining as shit. That was hilarious, dude. The scream at the end, icing on the cake. That.
What are your plans for 2026?
He's gonna beat his meat.
This motherfucker is locked.
Oh,
he talking about locked in. Oh, I got you. We're gonna end. We're gonna stop it right there. We're gonna stop it right here, y'all.
On that.
Hold up. We're gonna stop right here because you can't have the YouTube video too long. But the stream gonna still be going, but the YouTube video finna stop. But yeah, man, we're gonna end it right here. Like we said, this is the Thebigdaddymax Instagram. Like I said, he got TikTok. Or at least that's where I first seen him, was on TikTok. So y'all go follow, check him out, man. I love watching his videos, man. His content, he react to different things. I like hearing his takes from it and stuff. So, and I might check out his Discord if it free. If it paid, I don't know. I want to see him trade live and stuff. So, seem entertaining. Seem like a cool dude. Yeah. But I'm gonna go ahead and end it right here. Y'all have a good one. Your boy Keys is out. Peace.